Hello guys, this is how to hide your address on Amazon wishlist. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So what we're gonna go ahead and do first is on our top right corner, you're gonna go ahead and open up your lists. So you'll see that right there, that is my list with the things I want to buy. Then I'm gonna click on more. Then I'm gonna manage my list. Ensure that your list is public so that whoever you're sending it to will be able to view it. And then just make sure that your address is not displaying there. So that whoever you sending this to won't be able to see your address. And then, so once you've hidden your address on your wish list, then you can go ahead and send it to whoever you wish to share it with. You can share it for someone to view, and you can share for someone to edit. So I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.